Right. Bitcoin, will it drop to $8,000? Right now is 29 and 300. Will it drop to $8,000? What will happen with Bitcoin? And does Bitcoin have a value? What does the governor of the Bank of England say about it? And will IMF stop Bitcoin and Wall Street? What is Wall Street saying about CBDCs? And second Japanese bank wants to invest in what? In Bitcoin. And will the second also Brazilian developer accept BTC, Bitcoin? And does Balenciaga invest in cryptocurrencies? All right. Hello everyone, it's Julian Crypto. Nothing here is a financial advice. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, Central European time. Let's start it. Bitcoin $29,200, $300. We are in the sending channel. We will analyze on-chain metrics, of course, in the end of this video. But first of all, let's take a look at bigger scale. What is going on in the world? So first of all, as you can see, Bitcoin could fall to $8,000, more than 70% plunge. Guggenheim's Minard says, so basically what he says is that Bitcoin will survive, but it could drop to $8,000 and not become a dominant cryptocurrency. That's what he said. And Guggenheim Partners is a global investment and advisory company, advisory financial services firm that focused on investment banking, assets management, and etc. It's here, and they assets under investments are over $300 billion, so very big. And when somebody like him is saying such things, it's red flag, red alert, because
but I see a lot more pay because I think tech is pretty fairly valued.
Yeah, he is saying such things. For me, it's a FUD. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. I will show you next piece of news. Next piece of news is Bank of England. So that guy said Bitcoin has no intrinsic value and is not a practical tender. He said the Andrew Bailey, governor of Bank of England, who appeared here on the Jobs of the Future podcast, and he explained that he believes Bitcoin has no value and won't become a commonly used form of digital currency. And by the way, at the same time, he said that the Bitcoin can survive. Here's the full interview. He's a governor of Bank of England. Next FUD is from World Economic Forum in Davos. Happened last days. The IMF chief Christina Georgieva says that non-asset-backed stablecoins are pyramid scheme, as shown by the UST failure, and that cryptocurrencies are not the real currencies. Cryptocurrencies played a significant role, and the annual World Economic Forum in Davos, despite the apparent disdain for the mainstream financial sector, the IMF appears in 190 countries with a policy of dollar domination. So they are basically maybe afraid of dollar, of Bitcoin, of course. Here's what she's saying. Never mind. Let's move on. CBDCs, Wall Street lenders urge the US government to refrain from triggering the digital dollar, arguing, this is the document, arguing that a virtual currency backed by Federal Reserve, so CBDC, threatens to leak hundreds of billions dollars out of the banking system. According to the American Banks Association and the Bank Policy Institute, CBDCs would act as a direct competitor to private bank deposits and reduce the availability of credits to businesses and households. Trade Group responded to a FUD discussion paper, this is that paper, released in January, which outlined the potential benefit and risks of launching a new virtual tender. All right, and what in Japan? Japan second largest bank, Mitsui Trust, is launching a new company for institutional clients looking for custody services for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And listen to this. The new company will hold assets such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for large investors and corporations, as the company believes investors will feel more comfortable if trusted financial institutions can take care of these assets. Do you agree with it? And what about Brazil? Brazil, Gafisa, one of the largest Brazilian developer, now accepts Bitcoin as a payment for purchasing real estates, according to Foxby press release. Gafisa market capitalization is almost $500 million. Almost. And Balenciaga, French luxury brand Balenciaga, accept Bitcoin, Ethereum as a payment from next month, according to the Wall Street Journal. French company will start accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum as online payments in select physical locations. Not here, but physical locations. So Balenciaga estimated net worth is approximately $51 billion. All right, and that's all for today. Thank you everyone, and listen to this on-chain metrics. Do you agree with that big guys want to dump Bitcoin really fast to get it cheaper? Tell me in the comments what is your opinion. Okay, for today that's all. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.